Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you want real magic for your skin, keep watching. This 2-minute mask with egg, carrot, and lemon boosts collagen 10x and leaves your skin glowing, tight, and flawless. Say goodbye to expensive creams. First, whisk 1 egg until smooth. Eggs are packed with protein to tighten and lift your skin instantly. Now add a spoonful of fresh carrot juice. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and antioxidants to brighten your skin from within. Finally, 5 drops of fresh lemon juice. Lemon's vitamin C fades dark spots and evens out your skin tone. Mix well, apply for 15 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. The result? Skin so firm, radiant, and clear, like you just had a spa treatment. Always do a patch test on your arm before applying to your face to check for any allergies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Drop your comments below.